Hi, Abhinav. As I uh, said that I'm really interested in this thumbnail designing thing. Uh, Recently, I had this idea to start a YouTube channel where I will post movie reviews, and for that, I'm learning video editing in DaVinci. And I previously also posted some videos where I talked about my government exam experiences, preparations, and all. But for that, I just shot a one shot video, like in a single take, and I posted that whole thing in YouTube. So, first of all, as you said, that post a video on everything I know about YouTube. Uh, on the first day, I thought like everybody knows the same about YouTube. It is a platform where people upload videos. But on the second or third day, I just had this idea that let me speak about things that I did on YouTube and all. Uh, and I'm really interested in take a step towards this YouTube thing. So that's why I'm really interested in thumbnail designing, and I will do my best. I will give my best to uh, learn things. For thumbnail designing, I have researched a little bit and also found that if I were to use YouTube and choose a video to play like in my homepage, I would choose the video which will make me curious to know about what is going to be on the video, like some unreal things or some adventurous things, those type of things, or makes me wonder that what is there in the video that should be explained in the thumbnail itself, and it should not be very long like most people won't read, and it should be caught in the eye as one scrolls through the YouTube. It should be bright and the font should be the like very easily readable, and the title, the video title shouldn't match with the thumbnail, as it would